So Hesham, thanks so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
These are exciting times for Southampton in the UK and of course in India as well. Tell me a little bit about you, Hesham.
Okay, great. So my name is Hesham Bassyouny. I am a lecturer in accounting and finance in the University of Southampton Business School.
And of course we met when you were in India.
Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, it was great to see Delhi and to start being part of the industry workshop that you organized. It was amazing to see how Delhi campus is willing to engage with the industry there. This is the most important thing in general and for the business school in particular.
What kind of careers are the business school graduates from Southampton? What kind of careers are they getting into?
It depends on the program, of course. As you know, we have a big variety of programs in the business school. But in general, regardless where you will be graduating from, we have a lot of activities that we do with our students, and they start working in different big places. So we have a big part of our students are working in the banking sector, in the top banking industry in the UK, like they work in HSBC, Barclays, NatWest, and different banks. This is one of the top places that we go for our students in the area of business. Also, a lot of the students go for business analytics. We have a lot of students who are working in JP Morgan. Two students who started in the same week, by the way, in JP Morgan, that graduated last year from Southampton Business School. So data analysis is one of the main jobs that all sectors need now, not just with the finance industry, but in different industries. So data analysts is a very promising programs that we have in the business school, and a lot of students start working there. We have a lot of students who graduate from accounting and finance. They start working in the taxing industry in a specific company, or they start having their own business as well as tax consultant. In the area of sustainability as well, we start having a lot of students working in sustainability reporting with their companies for the UK business and internationally as well.
I would imagine a lot of business school graduates would like to get into other sectors such as e-commerce or manufacturing or any of the other areas that they believe are important. I would assume that Southampton students are getting into those areas as well.
Of course, yeah, no, of course, because as I was saying, in the area of business management and in the area of business analytics, we prepare students to work in different sectors, because regardless the sector that you want to work in, you need someone who plan your business. So they need someone who is studying business management. You need someone to analyze the key performance indicators and plan the future using different softwares and techniques that we teach our students using artificial intelligence or using specific softwares business related. So this can be in the area of medicine, in the area of finance, in the area of engineering. You will still need someone like a business development officer or accountant or someone to manage your taxations. Students from the business school are working in different sectors, not just in the finance sector or the accounting sectors. They are working in most of the sectors,
Absolutely.
Basically.
From an entrepreneurship standpoint, from a startup ecosystem standpoint, India's currently number 3 as far as the number of startups are concerned, after the US and possibly China. And there's a lot of students there who would like to build their own businesses, whether straight after university or maybe a little later. How do you think we're preparing them for that kind of future?
We do prepare them from 2 points, actually. First, from the teaching point of view, we give them a lot of leadership theory. How can they manage their own business? We give them a very strong foundation and theoretical background about how can they prepare their business, what they need to know before thinking of starting a business and when they are preparing during the process, and how can they assess the feedback and take it into consideration to improve the business. This is from the teaching point of view, and from the knowledge point of view, we give them all of this needed information, including softwares and artificial intelligence. We are very connected with this. How can they use this in the preparation of starting a new business? From the career point of view and from the support and facilities point of view, we have a lot of activities that we do with our students. So, for example, in the last 2 years, we start having a program called the Talent Development Program. So this is a program that we organize twice in the business school. We invite private investors and executives from companies to organize something like a mini conference. And we invite students who have their own ideas to come and present the idea to these investors and to these executives, and then get a feedback what are the missing parts that they need to work on. Private investors, they start giving ideas, of course. If I want to sponsor your project, what else you need to do? And we have one very famous example, one student from India actually, who joined us in 2021. And she started using this program in 2023 when she was in the third year to organize a business about property management. And she met one of the investors who decided to sponsor her project in this event that I was telling you about, the Talent Development Program. And now she started working on her business in the UK, and she's taking it to different countries as well. That's how we try to support our students who want to have their own business.
Nice. That's very, very exciting and very heartening. Any advice you would like to give students who would like to start their own businesses in the current economic climate?
Yeah, of course, there are a lot of challenges that are going on in the market now. So I would say the key point is to take your time to observe the industry that you are trying to start a business in. This is a very important point. So don't rush towards starting the business. It's very important at the beginning to take some time to see what's happening in the market, to see what you need, to plan from the financial point of view and from the operational point of view before you start the business. Not to rush, as I was saying. Take time to start organizing the financial aspects in particular. And of course, once you join us in Southampton Business School, you will have a lot of support also from our career advisors and the talent development program that I was saying. When they are helping you to start your own business, you will have a lot of support on this.
Such a pleasure speaking to you today, Hesham.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.